Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. Here I am on the bridge at Des Sources, and there's the footbridge, and I'm on it right now. It's been rebuilt, and here's the Sources Circle, the Des Sources Circle, and as you can see, the walkway curves all the way up like this. Brand new, resurfaced and everything. New railings, much better than it was. And this is a great spot for not only viewing trains, but viewing planes, as you've been seeing. So I am, oh, there's another one coming in. Look at that. Yeah, this is a really lucky time to come here. I didn't know the winds were going to be this favorable for this kind of landings. Anyways, I'm here for trains and planes apparently, so let's see what comes. And that arch right there, I should say, used to be stairs that used to go down to a train station here that long before EXO took over the commuter services here in Montreal. CP used to have a train station here. Now you can see there's absolutely no trace of it left. And I will give the date. This is April 12th, 2025, around 5:15 p.m. Here comes another one in. Here comes another one. I keep trying to find the optimal spot to see these planes. And there's the first train. And here's a CN train heading eastbound underneath the Des Sources footbridge. With a plane. I can't show both. With the enhanced zoom on this new phone camera, really comes out good. Previously, a shot like this would be a little bit not so great. There's a DPU. I don't know if this is going to be a really long train or not. But this is proving to be a very good spot today. Even though it's cloudy and a little bit kind of a gray day. It's about 10 degrees, so it's not too bad. That's very colorful. Splash of color in an otherwise gray day. It is nice to see that they refurbished this footbridge and didn't just close it and demolish it, as I thought they might have. Donegal Street down there, where the bus shelter is. I think it's a 203 that stops there. In the background is the Highway 20, one of the main highways to Toronto. And in the front there is Canadian Pacific, CPKC main line. Both lines are fairly close to each other here, within literally feet. And that's the last of the train. And within seconds, I get a plane. Freight train coming too, right after the plane. Oh, it's a Via train. Thought it was a freight. Okay, so I'll be ending this video here. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal, where I'll be taking you to different places around Montreal and the areas around Montreal to see train action, and on the occasion, sometimes some airplane action, just like I kind of fell into here. And we'll end with a little view here down the CN line, heading to the west, looking to the west. Have a good day.